standing next to Murray, the senator from Washington, with what, $63 billion in cuts over 10 years? 20 billion or so coming in 2022 and 2023? And he's calling it a good budget? You want me to go find Paul Ryan. They've got 435 congressmen up there, and not one of them knows what I know. And not one of them will get the attention to change the very nature of this debate and change it now. I'm running. I've got these 6 children. And listen, I love it so much. Grab my movie. I spent a year of my life making this movie about balancing the budget. I don't talk in platitudes. Go to my website, stevelaffey.com. I balanced the budget in 11 minutes. I'm on the record on all of these topics, not with platitudes, but real solutions, how to fix Social Security. And we need to change the nature of the debate and change it now. Because that little kid over there, that 6-year-old, this country's got like 5 or 7 years left before it blows up financially, at the most. That little kid does not have the same American dream that I got. That's why I'm running. That's why I want your vote. Please go to stevelaffey.com. Compare our websites. I am humbled to run against such fine individuals who I now consider my friends. And I'm humbled to be able to be here with you. I have the time. This is what I can do to fix America. This is what part I can play right now to help you fix America. I'm a financial expert. I get to the heart of the problems. I take no prisoners. I change votes. God bless all of you. Thank you.
This is Steve Laffey, and I approve this message. Come join our team at stevelaffey.com.